Did you know that the short-eared dog, also known as the ghost dog, is one of the most mysterious animals in the Amazon rainforest? It's rarely seen by people, but it plays a very important role in nature. This shy, wild dog helps spread seeds through the forest, which supports the growth of new plants and trees. It's a quiet helper that keeps the ecosystem balanced and healthy. The short-eared dog faces significant threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment. Studies predict that up to 30% of its habitat could be lost in the near future. Additionally, diseases from domestic dogs pose health risks. Currently listed as near threatened by the IUCN, conservationists advocate for heightened protection measures to ensure its survival. It shows us that you don't need to be loud or noticed to be meaningful. Sometimes, the ones who walk alone in silence are the ones holding the world together.